Welcome to the first episode of Brianna Cooking Show. I'm your host, Brianna Haltower, and what we're going to be making today is chicken Alfredo.
Cut! Brianna, why are you saying chicken like that?
Like what?
Like you're disgusted.
I am disgusted.
You're the host of an internet cooking show and you're disgusted by raw chicken?
When it comes to foodborne illness, chicken is the third highest cause of death with a 30% mortality rate. We are talking diarrhea so severe that it requires hospitalization.
You know, this aversion to raw meat really would have been important in the job listing.
It's not that I have an aversion to raw meat, it's that chicken is really, really dangerous.
Okay. Camera's rolling. 3, 2, 1.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for some more unbelievable content. All right, so the first step in making chicken Alfredo is to season our chicken breast.
Brianna, what's wrong?
I really don't want to touch it.
This is a cooking show, right? This is your cooking show, and it's the first episode, for God's sakes. Let's season the chicken. Okay. Cut. Brie, come on.
Do I really have to, though?
Do you have to season the chicken on your cooking show? I think the answer is obvious. Why don't we start with the salt, maybe? And action.
Let's start with salt, maybe. Do you believe in magic? That looks amazing. All right, now let's add some freshly ground pepper. That looks amazing. Don't worry, Brie happy. Amazing.
I think that side's done, Brie. Why don't we flip it over and season the other side?
Did you know that 1 in 25 packages of chicken from the supermarket are contaminated with salmonella, diarrhea, fever?
Cut! Holy hell, what are you doing?
Isn't that crazy? It could be this chicken right here.
Yeah, that is crazy. Why are you talking about it while seasoning chicken?
Usually cooking shows have little inserts and factoids about what they're cooking.
They certainly don't mention diarrhea while they're doing it.
Agree to disagree, Greg. Loose stool is very, very serious.
Whatever, okay? I'll just edit it out later. Let's just season the other side now, please. Action.
And now we flip over the chicken breast to season the other side.
Just use your hands, Brianna.
We're gonna let the chicken breathe for a little while we work on our batter. So you're gonna need 2 beaten eggs. Did you know that salmonella is not just linked to chicken, it's also linked to eggs?
You clearly didn't even break an egg.
We can fake it, the movie magic.
Like a jump cut?
Exactly.
What are we doing here? Seriously. I thought we were filming a recipe, not an Edgar Wright movie. No jump cuts, no salmonella, just Brianna and the food in her bare hands flipping the chicken over. Please. Action.
Aside from the chicken, we have to bring in our other star, which is this Alfredo sauce. This store-bought Alfredo sauce is unbelievable, and I know what you're thinking. Brie, why are you using pre-made sauce? It's because this was packaged after the Listeria recall.
Oh, no. I can't do this anymore. Kevin, flip the damn chicken for her, please.
I'm not touching anything on that table.
All right, so the first step in making chicken Alfredo is to season our chicken breast. Add some salt and then ground pepper. flip that chicken. Let's get started on our batter. Be careful not to get any of the shell bits in your eggs. Did you know? And now we are going to dunk our chicken in our egg mixture. That looks amazing.
And cut. See? That wasn't so hard. I handled all the raw ingredients. I didn't get salmonella poisoning. I didn't get loose stools. I didn't get a fever. I didn't get any of the fanatical things that you were talking about. I'm still alive.
I tried to tell him. That looks amazing. Looks amazing.